Hi, my name is Edward Lowery. I'm located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, and I'm a student at Full Sail University following a bachelor's degree for digital marketing. I've been through 2 serious motorcycle accidents which have forced me to change my career path and ultimately has led me here to marketing today. With this change, created the motto for my brand, and that is to live for today. Tomorrow's never guaranteed, and to create a success for my future. I also want my clients and anybody who follows me on social medias to understand this as well, because anything is possible if you have the right mindset. My core principles include loyalty and honesty along with transparency. Without those, a business just can't be successful. My dreams are my passion, and this translates into everything that I do now. This is also further improved upon with my passion for photography and travel, which is ultimately what I would like to do while providing an exceptional and innovative marketing business to my clients, even while I'm in another country. So who are we and what do we do? Well, this is the TMS agency, otherwise known as Tomorrow's Marketing Solutions. If you are a small business who needs help with brand awareness and growth on social media, we provide innovative and forward-thinking to your marketing needs, because our success depends on your success. We have already helped our clients achieve the success that they deserve while helping them create a content strategy specifically for their brands so that they can dominate in their respective fields. If you're ready to start thinking about your future for tomorrow, then definitely I would urge you to contact me on LinkedIn or any of my other social media profiles, which I will have linked below. Thank you for your time, and I hope to work with you soon.